got like one of the Korean original ribs. So they have like pila ka 18 minutes. 18 minutes now with 3 course.
18?
Yeah.
Biniting mo. Hi guys! First time here in Cagayan. First time experience at Sanggip Mindua. It's our first time together. Yes. Iharang na.
Lordin.
Ano ako? Ayun. This sarang miss. Hi guys! Magsangyup ni Sanilin karon din sa Limkit Kay Mall. Tapos bago ang ilang shop. And then, so first time na ako, first time po ni Sanilin. So we're both excited. And we're same po na wala pa nag-breakfast. So ayun.
Wait.
Ano yan? Okay, mag-rate ta karon sa mga pagkaon din sa Sangyupsal. So first is noodles.
This one is nice, but I didn't eat much of it. I didn't came here for this, but the experience is good. It's very nice.
Rate pa rate, 1 to 10.
1 to 10, this would be like 6.
For me, it's 9. I like it. 9. And what else? Ang sada siya tawagan na, kimchi na spring onion.
Spring onions, I like this. Because when you have eat too much meat, this is good for the appetizing part. So you won't get sober eating from it.
Sa pang soup.
This one is 8. This one, this soup. How do you call this?
Oily.
Yeah, I don't like this. I think they give it on purpose. It's because there's a lot of fats there.
Kani.
Yeah, kimchi is 9. Kimchi is 9. I rate this 9.
Okay guys, magre-rate tayo ng pagkain dito sa Sangyup Salamat. Okay, first thing we will rate is the first food pala, itong soup nila. 1 to 10, 1 is hindi masarap, 10 is sobrang sarap. For me, ito nasa mga 3. Oily. Ito. Ito yung parang boil, parang siyang omelette. Rate ko nito mga 7. Gusto ko yung texture niya. Itong appetizer nila na parang fish cake. Nasa mga siya. 5 kasi matabi siya konti. What else? Noodles. The next ito. For me, this is 10. I love this. Dalawang bowl ang nakain ko nito. Kasi gusto ko yung lasa niya. And the rest of the meat, so far, natural meat din siya. Pero of course, so far, experience, okay lang. Our experience here, or for me, is nasa mga siya. Bet ko yung place, mga 8 lang siya. Kasi hindi kami mahilig masyadong, hindi kami, malaki lang yung katawan namin, pero sobrang ang hina namin kumain talaga. So, this restaurant is not for us. This is only for experience. Guys. It's our first time. And so far, nag-enjoy naman kami. Though, mahina talaga kami kumain at mabilis mabusog. Enjoy naman kahit pa paano. Anong rate mo sa restaurant? Seven? Ano 7?
It's nice, but the table are so close to each other, so it feels like you're eating with strangers. So, but the service is 10. They're very accommodating and good.
Accommodating yung mga staff dito. One thing pala, masyadong maingay yung sound system nila. Kaya parang maingay pa yung mga ano dito, yung nagluluto. Maingay pa yung tao, maingay din yung sounds. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching.
Pag-grill na ba? Isulit ang 599 Ginoko Piwi. Mag-CI ko karon pag mawala ko, ikaw bayad ha.
Guilty ko sa...
Oh, sad. Salak gini mo.
Hindi, anong magati ka?
Guilty ko, it's because I've been like eating since like this week and then, you know.
Tayo akong guiltness na ano, ako rin experience na nagtatay sa loob.
Nanam gyapon ko.
Bye guys! Madali o. Kasi naging mo, wala ko lang.